And when they had opened their treasures, they presented gifts to him: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Now, these three gifts were given to little baby Jesus and his family, and they had a very special meaning. Now, gold often represent kingship, frankincense represent divinity, and myrrh represented the suffering. It's like suffering and death. And that fits so perfectly with the story of Jesus, his whole life. Because, kingship, he died and he resurrected and God lifted him up. And he had glory like a king. His divinity, he's 100% human, also 100% God. So that's his divinity right there. And myrrh, the suffering and death that he had to endure. All the mocking, the torture, and, his death.